Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to link your Exness trading account to MetaTrader 5 MT5 on Windows 10 or 11. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the first thing what we need to do, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and download MetaTrader 5 from metatrader5.com. So you can download for Linux, Mac, download for Windows. So for this tutorial, this is for Windows. So just click on download for Windows and it's going to download. Then you need to open that setup, and that setup's going to run in the background. And now once the setup is completed, you'll come to this page here where it says open an account. So from here, you want to go ahead and click on next. And also open a demo account to trade virtual money without risk. Open a real account for live trading. So click on either. I'm going to open up a demo account. Now I need to go edit my date of birth, mobile number, and then hit next. Alright, from there we can go ahead and click onto finish. Then from here we need to go to exness.com, my Exness, and then log into your account. Once you've logged in, we can go ahead and grab the real or demo account from here to link to MetaTrader 5. So for this, I'm going to link my demo account. It works the same if it's a real account. So what I'm going to do is open up a new demo account here. So I'm going to do standard, click continue. Now make sure the demo one is chosen, not real. So you can do real, but for this demonstration, it's going to be demo. Now from here, choose your platform. It's going to be MT5. And now we need to choose a password for this. So I'm going to put in a password. And then once you've done that, go ahead and click on create account. So here's my new demo account that I want to link inside of MT5. Make sure to remember that password you set, because we need that password to put over an MT5 as well. Alright, from here we want to click on the three dots and then get into account information. Now here's our account information. Now we need to copy the server information here and also the MT5 login information. So go ahead and copy these two and then head back over to MetaTrader 5. Then from here, click onto File and then open an account, and then a little box will appear like this. Or another way we can do it is click out of this, open up accounts, right click on accounts here, and then click on open an account. So there's a couple of ways how to get here. And now we need to go ahead where this search bar is, we need to search for that company. So type in Exness Technologies Ltd, and then click on find your company. Make sure to spell it correctly. Here it is here, Exness Technologies Ltd. And then from here, click onto next. Then from here, another box will appear where it says open an account, trade real or virtual money, gain experience. So we need to click on connect with an existing trade account. So our login is going to be MT5 login. We're going to copy that and then paste it here. And then that password that you created, put your password in. Or if you remember your password from a real account or another demo account, just put in your password. And then we need to change that server from this one to, if we go back to Exness, server needs to be here, MT5 trial 14 or whatever it is in your backend. Then from here, we want to go ahead and click onto finish. And now if we go back to accounts here on the left, we can see we've added Exness to MetaTrader 5.